So in this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find condo listings for sale here on Realtor.ca. So once Realtor's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left, press on search. So if you're on menu or whatever, you're on favorites, whatever, go to the bottom left, press on search. Once that's done, type in your location. So for this example, I have the Vancouver area right here, which is a good example for condos. Once that's done, go to the top right and press on filters. Then where it says residential, make sure that's selected. Make sure for sale is selected. Once that's done, I want you to scroll down to where it says building. Where it says building, press on the drop down right here. And where it says building type, I want you to press on this. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and type in row/townhouse, apartments, fourplex, whatever the case may be. So if you're going to go ahead here and find, a different listing, there's house, there's etc. It doesn't really matter. You can also go to the top here where it says property type. Make sure that condo/strata is selected. This is another way you can do that. Press on search down in the bottom right, and you can refine your search this way in regards to condo listings. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find condo listings for sale on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.